Hi, just another short video about my DVD and Blu-ray collection. I'm now busy sorting out my Blu-rays and DVDs, and let me just go through it with you. First of all, here's all the box sets like Expendables and G.I. Joe, all the stuff like Bad Boys also, and so on that comes in like box sets that you get the three movies all in one box set. Okay, next to it is like, okay, that's my CD collection. Then the Robin Williams collection, the Jumanji. And I think under Jumanji is toys of Robin Williams. Then my not so big Jurassic Park collection. Um, I do have Jurassic Park movies, but yeah, and also then there is my like one DVDs and Blu-rays. Like there's not like a complete collection or actor or maybe one actor in those DVDs that I can put all the DVDs together. So that's like all the odds that's left over of the DVDs. Then because what I'm doing is what you will see like, okay, here's another odds one because I don't have much Will Smith movies. So Independence Day. Wait a minute. I don't think Independence Day is like an odd one. I think yeah, because this is all my space movies here. You have Star Trek, you have Stargate, and all that type of space type of movies, and so on. Then my Vin Diesel collection of all the Vin Diesel movies, my Jet Li collection, my Arnold Schwarzenegger collection, Arnold Schwarzenegger with True Lies and all the movies that I like about him. I still have a Terminator collection, but I must still clean those to in order to put it on a video. I'm going to put more videos out on my DVDs. I also have a James Bond collection that I also want to share with you. Here's another like odd DVDs like one or two and so on. Eh, If you can see at the year's Demolition Man, I don't have much Sylvester Stallone movies, but this is all my um, odds movies like actors that I don't have like a full range of movies. Then it will not be just an actor. Like here is all my music stuff, and it's mostly Michael Jackson and Roxette. I had a Seal DVD, and I think a Forever Faithless DVD. But for some reason, because I move around, those two DVDs disappear. Here is my DC Comics DVDs, everything of DC Comics. I have a bigger Marvel collection that going to show you here, but because um like the Marvel, I go and buy like action figures and so on um to put with the DVDs and so on to make it look better. I must still also clean that, so that will also be in a future video. Then there's all my what you call it, Jason Statham DVDs. All my the DVDs that I have of Jason Statham. There's also there's all my Nicolas Cage DVDs there next to Jason Statham, like Ghost Rider. And I also feel like Will Smith, that Will Smith movie Hits must also be part of the of the Ghost Rider DVDs. Just do yourself a favor. Go and look Ghost Rider 1, then you look at Heats, and then you look at Ghost Rider 2. You will find that both those movies is like sequels to the first Ghost Rider. And then here's like all my what you call it, like epic, like 300 and Gladiator type of DVDs. I feel that Avatar must also be part of those type of DVDs. Like here you have the Great Wall of what is Matt Damon, the Great Wall, Matt Damon, and then next to that you have my Divergent DVDs. I really like the series. It's thanks to this series that I actually became a big fan of Zoe Kravitz, and then and I think also that this Equilibrium movie should be part of this universe of Divergent. Then my Transformers. I think Transformers also um, is arranged with Pacific Rim, and then you have Surfs Up, all the children type of stuff with Despicable Me. I like the Despicable Me movies, and then you have part of my Marvel collection. It's not my whole Marvel collection. Is mostly just X-Men and so on. I am going to make a movie of X-Men, but yeah, like I said, I must first clean those spaces in order to put it on camera. Then we have the all the other odds, but this is like comedy type of odds. Like you see, you have Home Alone 2 and Click. I do have Home Alone 1, but that is another story. Then all my Jean Claude Van Damme movies. I was also a very big fan of Jean Claude Van Damme. And I also think that if Jean Claude Van Damme would ever be in a fight with Steven Seagal, I do think that Jean Claude Van Damme will be victorious in that fight. And then that is just my opinion. Then this is also all the odds type of movies because, but this is the type of movies that I used to have a lot of blue in the movies. I don't know if you know what I mean because you have yeah, in this Race to Witch Mountain, even Dwayne the Rock Johnson's teeth is sometimes blue. I don't know if they um back then try to make DVDs look more like Blu-ray discs because you have Skyline that they also have a lot of blue in, like blue lasers and and so on that the aliens are shooting and explosions, and then obviously the Tron that also have a lot of blue in, uh, and I think it might have come from Tron and Alex Rider and so on, and Percy Jackson, Lightning Thief. There's a other Percy Jackson that I'm looking for, the DVD, and I'm also looking for Jason the Bruce of no um Dragon. Sorry, this remember this is an unedited movie video here on YouTube. I'm looking for Dragon the Bruce Lee story and Miss Doubtfire and Enter the Dragon. But there's a lot of Bruce Lee movies that I'm looking for in English. I'm sorry, I don't want to read while I'm watching movies. Then I'll rather go and buy a book or take out the book. Then you have all my Matt Damon Bourne movies, all my Tom Cruise movies, and then last but not least, my Hitman movies. And also V for Vendetta is also part of those ones because I feel that that movie must also be part of that universe of Hitman. So yeah, there everything here. Just a disclaimer there. What I'm saying, um, everything that I'm saying, like V for Vendetta, you can make up your own mind. And also what I said about Heats and Ghost Rider. But as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.